Perfect replacement. Reverse engineered to look, fit and function exactly like the original door mirror on your vehicle's specific year, make and model. Complete assembly. Includes same mirror glass, housing, bracket and technology as the original part that came on the vehicle. Cost-effective and reliable. Functions similarly to the original part but is much less expensive than getting a replacement from the dealership or original manufacturer. Easy installation. No special tools or equipment is necessary for installing this new part. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Simple fix. I broke my passenger side mirror on my 2006 Silverado and for over a year I wedged items under the mirror to hold it in the right position. My mirror is electric and that created another hurdle that I didn't want to jump because I would need to take off the door panel. Well, to avoid taking off the door panel I purchased the cheaper manual mirror and I am 100% satisfied. Perfect fit, cheaper price, and how often do I really adjust the mirror? Not enough to think twice about it. I highly recommend the product.